What's up guys, what's going on? Hope you are good. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this sniper entry, guys. I want you to pay close attention to my entry right here. So you can see this entry. You have not seen anything like this before. I bet you have not seen anything like this before. But all the same, I'm going to share with you how to do this in this video. All right, so you just have to relax and don't think I just started making video because the price have played out well. No, in my Telegram channel I dropped this setup. You can check the link in the description. Check the Telegram channel. Check when I dropped this on VS75. I dropped 4 different setups, which 3 of them played out. Only one did not meet up our setup. Okay, so we didn't take the last trade. All right, so this is just one of it, but just see the entry. The one that interests me so much is this one because of how this price, the entry and the point, the price started to reverse in my favor. So this kind of entry is not actually done most time using instant execution. So this is for, I use pending order for this particular entry, and I'm here to share with you how to do the same thing. And you can see my stop loss is here very close, and you look at my TP is 1:4 point something. I think 1:5, close to 1:5 on this particular trade. So let's dive into it. First off, you have to check, go on a higher time frame. Before you start even thinking of making this kind of entry, you have to consider the higher time frame. Okay, so on a higher time frame, if you look closely, you're going to see we have, there's a particular candle I want you to always look out for. Okay, I want you to always look out for doji. Okay, indecision, but you needed one with a long wick, either to the upward direction or with a long wick towards the downside. Okay, you can have something like this. I'm just sketching. You are looking for something like this or something like this on a higher time frame, like daily time frame, or you want to see it on 4 hours. But I prefer starting from daily. Once you see that candlestick right there, okay, once you see that candlestick right there, you remember that's going to be this. Actually, this candlestick shows that the price pushed all the way up to this level but was closed. Okay, there are a lot of selling pressure at this point. Okay, then if you go to a lower time frame, you are going to see within this zone what is called fair value gap. Okay, you are going to see the fair value gap. I think I've explained this in this channel, but I'll still explain again. So fair value gap is simply where the um first and the third candlestick in a particular chart did not overlap. Let me just use that. It's just simple definition. So look at when you have this candlestick this way, and you have the next one this way, and you have the next one this way. So we are labeled this, the first one. This one is going to be the first. Let's say this is the first candle 1, this is candle 2, and this is candle 3. So now this candle have wick, this one have small wick here, this one have wick, there's no wick down, this one have wick, and this is it. So now when the wick of the definition is when the wick of the first candle and the third candle did not overlap, with the particular charts at that point have created a gap. That's the definition. If you understand this way, it will be best for you. When the wick of the first candle and the wick of the second candle, okay, did not overlap, sorry, the third candle did not overlap, there must be a gap within the second candle. So if you look at this wick, you can see the wick of the first one where it ended here. Okay, this is where the wick of the first one ended. Okay, the wick of the third candle, look at where it ended here. So between this zone here, from the wick of the first and the wick of the third, there is no retracement at that point. So that is called the fair value gap. Okay, so in a lower time frame, if you go down, if you see a doji on a higher time frame and you go down, if you see something like this on a higher time frame, if you go down to like 4 hours, you are going to see within this zone, you are going to see something like this. Within this zone, You are going to see this with week here. You see the week here, see the week here. So between here and here, the price have created a gap. So this is exactly what is called gap, and this is exactly where you are going to be waiting for. Okay, let's say that this is all bearish candle. You are going to be waiting for the price to push back to this zone, and once the price push back, to correct that gap, okay, to correct the gap, okay, you are going to be looking for selling opportunity. That is simple, guys, very simple. So if you look at this particular point, you have this doji right here. So the next thing you are going to do is to switch to 4 hours time frame. Okay, on 4 hours time frame, look at what I'm saying. We have the first candle here, we have the bearish candle and second candle, and you have the third candle here. So between this, look at the wick of the third candle where it stopped, and look at the wick of the second candle where it stopped. So between here and here, we have what is called fair value gap. So all you need to do now is to focus your entry at this zone. Okay, you can go with the high or you go with the low. Any one works. You can decide to set your pending order at the high of that fair value gap or at the low of that fair value gap. So any one can work. All right. So once the price push back to your fair value gap, the price will likely going to drop. That's exactly what I did. I dropped the signal in the Telegram group. Before, when I dropped the signal, the price is still here. If you go, I want you to go to the go and join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. Go and join the description of this video. This is where the price was. Then I forecasted that the price is going to push all the way to the upward direction to trigger our sell order before selling. So all these things you are seeing here have not played out when I drop the signal. So this is you understanding the chart or the market you are trading and doing exactly the same thing that is likely going to happen. You forecast the market the right way, okay, based on price action, previous price action. You can check this thing yourself, back test it and see how it works. But I decided to share with you, break down the chart, share with you how I actually made my entry. I'm the type of person who is not stingy with strategy, because I know strategy alone cannot make you profitable. No matter how you learn the strategy, it's not enough to make you profitable. So if you understand the strategy, then apply proper risk management. You can see here, look at my stop loss here, look at my TP here. So what if you see this kind of entry and you set your TP here and your stop loss here 1:1? How do you want to become profitable? At the end of the day, when you lose one trade, you have already lost the profit you paid. But now the risk reward is decent, that even if I lost the next 4 trades, my profit is still intact. I still have little profit remaining. That is why risk management is so important. That is why psychology is so important. Now, let me show you a bit. This is about risk management. That's why I say strategy is not just enough for you to become profitable. Okay, this one is for strategy. Risk reward, understanding the important of risk reward, or the role that risk reward plays when you are placing a trade. Okay, you can see with a good risk reward, you are heading towards becoming a profitable trader. But if you have very bad risk reward, there's no strategy that's on earth that will make you profitable. All right, that's number one. The next thing is psychology. Okay, psychology. I don't know how I'll keep saying this thing. Okay, psychology is the next thing that will mess you up. So strategy is not just enough, in the sense that if you look here, okay, if I go to 15, let me go to like 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame. Remember, this price drops from here, and after dropping, you can see that we have this bullish candle to this level. Do you know that some people, some human being who call him or herself a trader, is going to close this trade here because the price is now going up? Oh, I don't want to lose this small money I've made. They are going to close their trade here. Look at how little they did not even make up to 1:1. They are going to close their trade right here because they are afraid that the price is retracing back. The price might go up and even hit me out. I don't want to lose the little money I've made. They are going to close and take little amount of money. And how you make money with that kind of mindset? If they escape this one, they have this one to battle with. If they escape, they have this one to battle with. Escape, they have this one to battle with. They have a lot of things to battle with that will mess up their psychology, and they are going to close their trade on time instead of waiting to take all this move, guys. Okay, the movement is going to mess up their psychology, and they are going to be closing trade anyhow. Even when they're not supposed to close the trade, they are going to close because they don't want to lose the profit they have made. So that's why I said that strategy is not enough to make you profitable. You have to consider strategy. You have to add risk management, money management, risk reward, anything you call it. Then you have to consider psychology. Make sure that you are in a right mindset, okay? And not just mindset, you have to back test any strategy you want to use to build confidence. When you have confidence in a strategy, whether it's giving you a pullback, whether it push you back into losses, you still have that confidence that this price is still going to go my way, because this is the strategy I've tested over time, and it's giving me good in terms of the percentage of win-loss. Okay, it's giving me good percentage, and you trust the strategy based on back testing. That's how you build trust, you build confidence, if you back test the strategy. So you don't care whatever the price is doing, any manipulation that is going on, pullbacks, retracements, choppy, ranging, anything is not your problem. You have set your stop loss, you have set your TP. Whatever the price we do, it's not your business. So guys, this is it. This is the strategy. This is everything. You can clearly see that. Also remember, it's a real account. It's not just stuff like that. So it's a real account. So that's that for this. I hope this video is helpful. I hope you are going to apply these things. Okay, and if you apply this simple strategy, you are going to make money with this strategy. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. If you want to join my Telegram, I drop these setups at least 2 times, 3 times in a week, or once in a week, depending on how free I am. And I'm doing that free. I don't have any paid signal group. I don't even do general mentorship again. Everything about my mentorship have ended, apart from my own. I've noticed that I wasted a lot of time. That's why I'm saying this towards the last part of this video, because definitely most people are not going to watch to this length. They are not going to watch this video till now. But the truth is, back, I think like 2 years ago, 2022, 23, I spent a lot of time trying to mentor people. But I noticed something, that people take you for granted when you try to do things free, and when you do things with small amount of money, people don't take it serious. All right, so I invested more time in people last year and last 2 years. In fact, last year is worst. I do 1 week mentorship program, I do monthly, daily, all those kind of stuff. I can't do that again. So nothing like account management, nothing like signal, nothing like mentorship, group mentorship. I only do one-on-one mentorship program. If you are not ready, it's your business. All right, so anything about group mentorship for now, no more. I only do one-on-one mentorship. So you don't tell me that someone scammed you in my name, or someone collected money for signal or for mentorship, anything. Everything I'm doing is one-on-one. So you are seeing me, I'm seeing you, we are doing stuff. There's nothing like so if you go to anywhere and someone send you account number, anything, you pay money, you should know that you are the one who decided to throw your money in the air. All right, so remember, there's another thing, another opportunity I want to expose to you guys, those who are in my Telegram group. I'm going to be doing live section, okay, both on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I'm going to drop the link. It will be also in my Telegram group. You follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be starting live trading sections, okay, this year. I'm starting next month, which is in 2 days time, or in a day time, I guess. So I'm starting by February. I'm going to start live section. So it's going to be free, okay, free of charge. So join my Telegram group, or follow me on Instagram to get these updates and the link. Thank you guys for your time, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Enjoy.